Welcome to What Web Tools to Create Online Courses With. I'm super excited that you're here, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys because I wish 1, 2, 5, 10 years ago that I had something so simple and so easy to follow. So here I'm going to break down insight into creating an online course using Wix and or WordPress to start, and then scaling smart using Kajabi, which is what I use and I've used now for over a year and a half, and or Teachable. So let's get into the behind the scenes.
Guys, creating courses off of your phone to start. And so